You're all changing together, you're all growing together. You're having a lot of firsts for the first time with a lot of other people that are in the same boat.
I don't know if fever dream is the right word to describe it, but it definitely feels like out of body right now. It's been a great experience.
Different people can have the same type of experiences here and carry those through life. Hearing what they're getting out of the school now, it's a lot of similarities to what I got out of it.
I've learned a lot about myself, like as a student leader, as a community member, but also as an individual. I learned a lot about what I want out of life, my values, my genuine beliefs, what I hold to be true.
A liberal arts education, being able to explore different things, being forced to take different types of classes, but you take something with you from every class that you've taken. Yeah, I did an internship when I was at Muhlenberg. I think it prepared me for the career I eventually had.
In terms of my career and professional growth, I wouldn't be where I am without Muhlenberg. Getting a full-time job and getting internships, Muhlenberg was so crucial in that. I was one of the recipients for a scholarship, so I did go abroad. Again, that's another opportunity I wouldn't have had if not for Muhlenberg. For me, that's an experience I have to be grateful for, and I very much am, because I know so many people who don't have that at all.
Give back where you can. My investment in Muhlenberg now is to help students who have a summer internship who might not have the wherewithal to pay the rent that you might need. You know, it makes me feel good to be able to help.
It's definitely been a growing experience, and they've also given me the mobility to be better than who I was when I started here. They've given me a lot of help in healing generational cycles for me, and for that I'll be forever grateful.
As far as a legacy, I just hope that others see what the college has meant to me over the years and the friendships that I gained.
I've squeezed as much as I can out of school, and I'm ready. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to see what the world has to offer me.